Yeah. So this is our Gir breed. This and this cow and these cows are Gir breed. And the same cows, this is Sahiwal. And we are having here all the breeds, Gir, Sahiwal, Red Sindhi, Concrete, Tarparkar and Ongol. 6 breeds are there with us. All these 6 breeds are Desi cow breeds, which are drought breeds. They will sustain for any temperature. In Gir there are 3 varieties. This is from Gir forest region of Gujarat. All the common factor in the Gir 3 varieties of Gir 3 breeds is, common factor is this ear. Ear will be long and bend at the end. That is the Gir. Remaining the Sahiwal and all, for Gir forehead will be very big. Whereas Sahiwal and Ongol and Devni, for all this forehead will be normal. These all are comes from our Concrete breed. I will show you later, it is in the other shed. Concrete is the origin for all these our Desi breeds. Ancient civilization, in Indus Valley civilization, we can see the Concrete cows forehead was being found out in the diggings. So from Concrete all these breeds have come. All these Desi cows, in my experience, will give 6 liters average per day. Some cows may give 12 liters, some cows may give 10 liters, some cows may give 8 liters, some cows may give 4 liters, some cows may give 6 liters. But on an average, in my shed, I am talking about my shed, my farm only, I am having 200 cows total animals 200, in that milking cows are 45. These 45 cows, we get 100 liters in the morning and 100 liters in the evening, plus or minus 10 liters. These cows, average, we will get 6 liters per day. 6 liters per day. Some cows will give, so all these Desi cows, first 2 months they will give maximum yield. After that, slowly they will conceive again. After conceiving, day by day, month by month, the milk yielding will come less. The Sahiwal cows will give up to 7 to 8 months milking in the lactation, whereas Gir cow will give 6 to 7 months. 6 to 7 month lactation. But compulsory, these cows need their calf until they give the milk. If the calf is not there, the 3rd day of its delivery also, if anything happens to the cow, the milk will stop. The cow will get dried. So they are very attached to the calves. That's why we must take care of the calves very sincerely. Okay. This is one of our Indian Desi cow breed, belongs to Devni. This name is Devni, belongs to Karnataka, Telangana and Maharashtra. It lives in the area of Krishna Valley. And these Desi cows will not give milk for the machine because they prefer their calves touch to the udder. So that HF cows, they will yield for the mission, but these cows, they won't yield for mission. We are having the mission also, but it was been failed. They are not giving milk, and what happens now? They will take up the milk. When they were disturbed, they will take up the milk and the mission will be working and the teeth will get harm. The blood will come. That's why we have stopped that. We are using only hand. We will just clean it with water and wipe it with a cloth, and then we will take the milk. And all these Desi cows, they are very much fond of their calves. Without calf, they won't give milk. If any cow today, if it was delivered, if the calf is dead, for some reason calf died, means for that lactation, that cow will get dried. Only calf must be there. That's why we have to take care of calves also very carefully. All the milk which they give, and they are also very sensitive of the hands which they are giving milk. If the hand was changed, the person was changed, there will be a drop of milk in the production. Because if you keep a new person, it will take 1 to 2 days to come to the normal stage. So sensitive these Desi cows. That's why we are in these Desi cows, comparatively the HF and Jersey, the problem of milking is more, because nowadays labor is very rare to milk out the cows. That's why that is one difficulty in this dairy, Desi cow dairy. The first difficulty is getting the person, milking person. That's the reason in our South India the people are not used to take the milk. Now only that's why all these North Indians, we have to bring them from UP, Bihar like that, and they will be milking it. That's the situation now. Like HF, you can take how much of milk you just keep them. HF don't need calf also. Only if you remove the calf after 3 days of delivery also, it will not bother. But here, you are seeing this Devani cow. This calf is almost 8 months. Even today, if this calf is not there, this cow will not give the milk. Till the milk was, till we stop this milk lactation, that calf must be there. Without the calf, they won't yield the milk. We will get loss in the production of milk. Yeah, friends, now we are in the butter making section, and this is the curd which we boiled, and the curd was being done. Day before yesterday we boiled the milk. Yesterday we kept it like this, and today morning we started doing butter into converting into the butter, this curd. This curd we will churn. This is the churner which moves anti-clock like our ancient system. It was done in the traditional manner, but with the mechanical thing. And this, it will, every 20 liters, we keep 20 liters of water. And later, after becoming more and another 20 liters, we keep. And we make the butter, and this is the butter balls which we made. Like that, today we will complete this butter. Every day, today boiled milk will come day after tomorrow. Then we will finish the butter. We do it in traditional way. And we get nearly 20-25 liters for each kg of butter. Each kg of butter converted into ghee, 70% you will get ghee for 1 kg. That means nearly 30 liters will take to making 1 kg of ghee. That is the process. Okay. Friends, this is our milk boiler where we boil the milk in this. This boiler is containing of 2 layers, in between water will be there. So with this milk, when we use gobar gas from our own production, with that gobar gas, when we start heating, first the water will get heated, along with the water heat the milk will get boiled. So that because of this, the universe on the top and the down both will be the same. The heat will be constantly same, like the same temperature will increase. After finishing the boiling, we will remove the heat. Then after becoming cool also, when the water becomes cool, the same temperature milk also will become cool. And particularly in this one advantage is here this will not come out. If you normally you see if you cook the milk, boil the milk, you have to be there and see and this milk will come up and it will get waste. And also that will be, down will be more heat and top will be less heat. But this was universally heated. It's from down to top it was heated by the water in between these 2 layers of the steel container. This we have made, I have got it customized for myself. And in this milk after heating, by the evening we will take this milk after getting cool and we will keep in the separate containers and there we will make it curd. After that the curd we will, after 1 day, we will leave the curd for 1 day and next day morning we will start doing butter.